Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard Senior KG, Semester 2nd book, page number 22. Yesterday, what we have learned? Yesterday, we have learned about the doing words. Doing words. Doing words means what I told? Action words are called doing words. Doing words. I pray every day. Rohit throws the ball. Manju sing a song. The crow cows. The deer jumps. The fish swims. Ice cream melts. The sun rises. The water flows. The water flows. And sorting of fruits, animals and vehicles we have already done. Yes or no? We have already done. Now, page number 22, using ing. Using ing. Now, add ing to these words. ing to these words. So, here they have given eat. Eat they have given and asked you to write here ing. So how will you write? This is eat. You write as it is here. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Ing how will you write here? Now she is eating. Eating. See here. E-A-T-I-N-G. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Eat. Eating, ing we have put. So here jump, jump, jump. J U M P is there. Jump is there, no? Jumping. Jumping. That is J-U-M-P-I-N-G. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. Read, read, reading. Reading. Read, reading. R-E-A-D, read. See here. I-N-G. Have you got it? I-N-G how we should do means eating, jumping, reading, drinking, singing. Drink spelling D-R-I-N-K, D-R-I-N-K, ing I-N-G. ड्रिंक के आगे तुम्हें I-N-G लगाना है. स्लीपिंग, स्लीप S-L-E-E-P, स्लीप I-N-G. प्ले P-L-A-Y, I-N-G, playing. In this way you have to put the I-N-G. Select the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Select the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. What is Tina doing? What is Tina doing? Tina is, what will you write here? Tina is dancing. Dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Tina is dancing. See here. Hopping is there, playing is there, running is there, dancing is there. So first one is dancing. Mark here 1. Mark here 1. And now what is the rabbit doing? Yes, who will tell me what is the rabbit doing? Rabbit is hopping. Hopping माने लंगड़ी डाल के जा रहे हैं. H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Hopping. H-O-P-P-I-N-G. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is hopping. The rabbit is hopping. What is the bird doing? The bird is flying. See here. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. The bird is flying. What is Sam doing? What is Sam doing? Sam is running. Running. R-U-N-N-G. Running. Sam is running. First one you have marked here, one as one. No, dancing is one. Hopping is two. Second one. The third one is flying bird and running. Running. Okay. Then in this way you have to read and write. You have to read and write. Have you understood? Okay. What you ing how you have to do is eat, eat, eating, eat, eating, jump, jumping, read, reading. Ing, eat, already eat spelling is there. Eating, jumping, jumping, read, reading, 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 read, read, reading. Select the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. What is Tina doing? What is Tina doing? Tina is dancing. Tina is dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is hopping. H-O-P-P-I-N-G. The rabbit is hopping. What is the bird doing? What is the bird doing? The bird is flying. The bird is flying. F-L-Y-I-G. Flying. The bird is flying. What is Sam doing? What is Sam doing? Sam is running. Sam is running. Now here I have completed Sam is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. So after completing this in your textbook, this textbook, you write in your 4-line book. This is your 4-line book, no? 4-line book. Eat is there, no? You write here. Eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Then what will you write here? Jumping. This is your 4-line book where you are going to write. G-U-M-P-I-N-G. Jumping. And this is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. This way, re-eating, jumping, reading. Full 1 page you have to write. 1 page you have to write. After that, select the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Is there? No. What is Tina doing? See here. What is there? No. What is Tina? T-I-N-A. Tina doing. D-O-I-N-G. Question mark is there. Then what will you write here? Tina is T-I-N-A. Tina is dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Full stop. Then one more is there, see, next to that. Can you see or no? See here. See here. This one. What is the rabbit doing? Write in your 4-line book. What is the rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit doing, D-O-I-N-G, doing. What will you write here? The rabbit is R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit is hopping, H-O-P-P-I-N-G, hopping. Okay. Now one more is one downside again. See, what is the bird doing? What? W-H W-H-A-T. What is T-H, the bird? What is the bird B-I-R-D. R-D. Bird. Doing. D-O-I-N-G. Doing. Question mark. What is the bird doing? Is there? No. The bird is flying. T-H-E. The bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. I-S is flying. That is F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. Full stop. What is Sam doing? See here. W-H-A-T. What is Sam? S-A-M. Sam doing. D-O-I-N-G. Doing. Question mark. Then write here. S-A-M. Sam I-S is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Sam is running. In this way you have to write. In this way you have to read and write in your 4 line. You have to write what is Tina doing? What is Tina doing? Tina is dancing. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is hopping. What is the bird doing? The bird is flying. What is Sam doing? Sam is running. Is there? No, these 2 pages you have to write. You have to write for 2 pages. Have you understood? Now open page number 23. Vowel sound A. Short vowel sound of A. Short vowel sound of A. Cap, tap, bat, bag, cat, rat. Long vowel sound of A, that is tape. That is tape. Tape. Lake, cake. Face, rack. Rack, game. Rack, game. C-A-P, cap, tap, bat, bag, cat, rat. Long vowel sound of A is tape. T-A-P, tape. Lake, cake, face, rack. Rack, game. Rack, game. Page number 24. Page number 24. Vowel sound E. Short vowel sound of E. Pen, den, hen, leg, net, jet. Egret. Long vowel sound of E. Egret, eagle, egret, eagle, ear. Egret, eagle, ear. Vowel sound of E. E, that is deep. D-E-E-P, deep. L-E-E-K, leak. L-E-E-K, leak. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Leak. Deep. Tree. Free. E-E-E, free. In this way you have to read. Now sound selection long E. Sound selection long E. Circle the picture that have the E sound in them. Leg, tree. This is that have the E sound. Circle. We have to circle. See here. We have to circle. 10. Jeep. E-E-P is there? No. E-E-P you have to circle. See here. Jeep. Then eagle. B. E-E they have asked us to Long E, they have E, we have to circle. Pot, no. Sheep, E-double-E-P, sheep. Then sleep, sleep. Then nut, queen, Q-U-E-E-N, okay. Of sound, E sound they have asked, no? Leg, tree, 10, L-E-G, leg, T-R-E-E, tree, T-E-N, 10. We have to circle tree. Jeep, eagle, B. Jeep, eagle, B. Jeep, eagle, B. E sound word they have asked to circle. Yes or no? J-E-E-P, jeep, E-A-G-L, eagle, B-E-E-B. Pot, P-O-T, pot, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Pot, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, and sleep, S-L-E-E-P. N-U-T, nut, Q-U-E-E-N, queen, we have to circle P-I-N, pin. In this way, you have to learn by heart all the spellings from page number 22 to page number 25. You have to write for 2 times and learn by heart. You have to write for 2 times and learn by heart. We will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.